おうちでミルキー Milky at home! 市川南
Hello everybody, Cindy Sensei here from Ichikawa Minami, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this very cool moving fish by just using a marker or a pencil, glue, scissors, and paper, colored paper. So first, you should have a square paper. Any color is okay. Then you have to fold it in half, like this. What shape is this now? That's right, a triangle. Very good. After that, open your paper again, and you should fold your paper like this. 1 and 2. And now, look, what shape is this? Very good, a diamond. Good job, guys. Now, let's open our paper again, and we have to lay it flat. Make it a triangle again. Then, by using your scissors, you have to cut 2 lines over here, like this. Line, but be very, very careful when you're using scissors. If you don't know how to use it yet, you should ask your mommy and daddy for help, okay? So we should cut our fish like this. So I'm going to show it to you like this way. Is that okay? So we have to cut it like so. Cut it. Cut, cut, cut. Be very, very careful. You can do this slowly. So your cut is getting longer and longer and longer, like so. You should have something like this. After that, open your paper one more time, and remember, like making a diamond, you have to glue this 2 sides together. So we have to get our glue. Put some glue over there to this part. Glue it. So we don't have to use too much, just enough to cover that triangle part. And you should end up having something like this. Cool, right? After that, we just have to cut this and make it a little bit curved, because this part is like pointy right now. So cut it like that, and there you have it. So as you can see, you only have the upper part of the mouth. So earlier I made this one shaped like this. You just have to use glue and put it over there. Okay, so let's get our glue again. Glue it at the bottom of our fish. And if you want, you can put a tongue over there. You can just get a different colored paper and then glue it over there, or you can just leave it like that. For me, I'm just gonna use a smaller one. Put it like that. So for the fin and for the tail, like this one, you just need different colored paper. Then you have to fold it in half and cut a heart. So just have to cut half of a heart. We need 2 for this one. So 1 for the tail and 1 for the fin. Okay. This one, look, it's heart. Use glue again. Put the tail over there. And cut this one in half. Use glue again. This way. And this side, other side. And for the eyes, just use marker. Draw 2 circles and throw it in. And ta-da! You now have your moving fish. I hope you like it, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. See you. Bye-bye.
た